There are hundreds of ways to make money, especially in college. Welcome to The College Investor. I'm Stephanie O'Connell from stephanieoconnell.com, here to share 10 ways you can start making money today from your own dorm room. 1. Freelance for blogs and businesses. Freelance writing is one of the easiest ways to start making money, especially if you're a fast writer. Beyond writing for blogs, many businesses are looking for writers to help with many different types of writing, from general how-to content to technical writing to putting together brochures. To write for other businesses, look at sites like Upwork, where you can search for listings and apply for freelance jobs. You can also make money proofreading for blogs, websites, and authors, which can be done almost anytime and anywhere. And if writing isn't your thing, bloggers and businesses are also always looking for programmers and technical help as well. 2. Become a virtual assistant. A lot of people in businesses are looking to outsource assistant type work, such as responding to emails, basic writing and organization, research tasks, and more. If you're looking to do this type of work online, consider becoming a virtual assistant, and you could earn several $100s or more per month. 3. Do online design work. If you're an artist and you have a knack for graphic design, you could do online design work for websites and businesses. This could be everything from making small graphics for advertisements to full site redesigns. To get started, check out a site like 99 Designs, where you can enter design competitions, and if you're selected as the winner, you get paid. 4. Sign up for transcription work. If you're a fast typer and want to get paid for listening and typing, transcription work is great. Many different industries are looking for people to transcribe audio into text, and they'll pay you to do it. 5. Rent your car. If you have a car that you're not using because you're spending all your time on campus studying, maybe it's time you put it to use by renting it. Turo is a service that allows you to rent your car to others and get paid for it. They make it easy, and for college students, it could be an easy win-win. 6. Sell stuff on Craigslist. If you have anything you don't use anymore and it's too large to sell online, Craigslist should be your go-to place to sell stuff. In college, you might want to sell all your furniture before moving home from school at the end of the year. Depending on what you own, a few $100s might be better than storing it or transporting it back with you. It's easy to set up a listing and sell anything on Craigslist. A newer alternative is Facebook offers as well. 7. Sell crafts on Etsy. If you're crafty, you should consider selling your stuff on Etsy. Etsy is designed for handmade goods, including stationery, greeting cards, household crafts, and more. The great thing about creating these types of products is that you can do them in your spare time on nights and weekends. And creating many of these products really doesn't take up too much space, so it can be dorm room friendly. 8. Start a laundry service. If you live in a dorm or apartment building, you could offer to start a laundry service for all of your friends and neighbors. Instead of them having to make their own trip to the laundromat, you could combine their trip with yours and charge them a small fee for it. Considering you do laundry each week, this could be a great recurring revenue stream. 9. Work for your professor. Many professors hire 1 to 2 students each semester to help them grade papers, prepare lessons, and even do research for them. If you're interested in a particular field of study, partner with your professor and see if he or she has a job for you. 10. Become a tutor. If you're a pro at any class in college, simply offer to help others that aren't. You could post a sign outside of the lecture hall or even use a Facebook group for the class, as many classes are going digital. You can easily find clients and charge a decent rate to boost your income. For more ways to make money on campus and beyond, visit thecollegeinvestor.com and subscribe to the channel. I'm Stephanie O'Connell, and I'll catch you next time.